Hi all. Today we will discuss how to create a custom menu. Basically, menu is a logical or hierarchical listing of functions. Every responsibility will be assigned only one menu. See, I will show you responsibility define. Sorry for trouble. Yeah. See, here I am querying one responsibility. See here. I have field service technical portal PDA. This is the responsibility. This is the responsibility. Under this responsibility, you can see how many menus are there. Only one menu has been attached to one responsibility. For one menu, there are multiple functions are attached. See, go to application menu. See, for one menu, how many functions are attached? Here too. There may be any number of functions can be attached to a single menu. Now we will go and create a menu. For that, we need to navigate to System Administrator Responsibility and then click on Application, click on Menu. Now here enter NRIT menu, user menu name NRIT menu, menu type is the standard. This is the description, menu description. You can specify anything, NRIT testing menu. Now the prompt will represent the function name, means how the function will display. The name of the function is nothing but a prompt. Create user. This is the meaningful description. We can enter anything, but the functions we need to select which are available in the system, because we will go function creation will be a depends on the forms creation. That's why we are using the existing ones. Now 20. Create responsibility. I am giving response. Now I am saving that work. Yeah, done. It will submit the concurrent program. You can see view request. Fine. Once it is completed, then only the menu will be created. Yeah, done now. The menu has been created successfully. Just see. Our menu having how many functions we have? There are two functions which are attached to our custom menu. Now what I will do, I will assign this menu to some responsibility. I have created one custom responsibility called NRIT responsibility. In NRIT responsibility, there are so many menus. You can see how many, around more than 10 menus are there. Under each and every menu, you can see there are many functions. Now what I will do, I will assign our newly created menu to this responsibility. Here, see, existing menu is the system administrator menu. I am replacing existing menu with our custom menu. See, I am saving my work. Yeah. Once I saved, I am changing the responsibility and selecting the responsibility NRIT. Now you can see how many functions are there. There are two functions. Functions means it is a forms. See, this is the user form. It is coming. When I click, it is coming a responsibility creation. In menu, okay, these are two functions. You can create any number of functions under one menu, and that menu you can attach into any number of responsibilities. Not only one responsibility, you can attach the menu any number of responsibilities, but only one menu will have one responsibility. One. Thank you, and I think you got the details, right? Thanks.